This exercise is going to be a radial nerve floss. So this nerve is going to originate from your neck, okay, from a variety of different nerves. It's going to run and travel along kind of the front of your arm and supply the top of your hand. Okay, so what we're going to do with this nerve, just kind of stretch it, we're going to floss it through all of its structures, tensioning it on one end and then creating slack on the other end. Okay, so our starting position here, you're just going to take your arm, your affected side that you're going to work on, and kind of place it across your chest. From this position, you're going to bring that ear is going to follow where that hand is going. Okay, so your head is going to flex towards the side that you're kind of placing your hand on that side of the chest. Okay, and this is going to be your starting position. So bring that ear across, and then what you're going to do is you're going to bring your ear to the other shoulder as you drop this hand down into we call like a waiter's tip position. So picture kind of flexing your wrist as if you're trying to accept a tip from someone from behind you and bringing that ear to the opposite shoulder. So hand and ear go to the same side, and then hand and ear go to the same side. So we're creating slack and tension kind of simultaneously in each position, just at different ends of the nerve to help take that nerve and just floss it through the entire area that it's traveling in.